Hello, so you're welcome back. This is George, and today I'll be showing you how to use your smartphone to make basic designs. But first of all, we will be looking at the app and its features. The first app I want to introduce to you is PicMonkey. PicMonkey, you can find it on your Google Play Store or on your Apple Play Store. So this is PicMonkey. PicMonkey is not a free app. However, you could make use of the free version. And so this is PicMonkey, and this is the user interface. There are some things, quick things you can achieve with your PicMonkey. And so let's select a black canvas. So I've selected my black canvas, and your black canvas here it's where it's your workspace. It's your workspace. This is where you also determine the size of your work. It's your worksheet, sorry, and this is where you determine the size of your worksheet. So here we have the portrait, the landscape, and the square. Now this portrait, landscape, and square, they are the basic shapes you find on your social media, either your Facebook profile cover, your Facebook profile picture, your Instagram post. Most of them comes in landscape and in square size. And this one, your WhatsApp story, you can use the portrait size, but you can actually choose even more precise formats. You know, the more you scroll, you see other formats. Facebook post, profile image, Facebook story, and pin, and all of that. So you can see there are so many of them, including YouTube cover, images, icons, and thumbnails. All right. So now let's proceed. What I want to do a design, a very quick, brief, simple design. All right. Now I'm selecting square. You can choose your own size, any size you want. So I've selected, and then it brings me, then I can choose a pattern. It's not a must to choose these patterns, but I want to show you how you can use your patterns too. So I want to use the patterns. So I can select my pattern. I love this one. Then I can select the color. Because I'm going to be using a very dark background, I'm going to make this pattern white. All right, and I've selected white, and if I put a background, the white is going to be too bright, so I'm going to reduce the opacity to something like 10%, 11% anyhow, and then I select my background. Any background I want, any background that works best for me, I select it, and then I click on next. Remember, this is PicMonkey, and I click on next, and then here you see a lot of features. So you see some features, and okay, we are designing, we are doing graphics design. So I write my graphics design. All right, so now you see the default color of the font is black. So I can choose any font color I want. And remember what we talked about in color management and in your typography and all of that. So you might want to choose white or yellow and any other bright color because you want what you're writing to be readable. So this is graphic design, and you can choose your font. You can change your font, any font you want. You can select your font. And remember, whatever font you're choosing, you've got to be consistent with your font. When doing graphics, you may not want to use more than, or you shouldn't use more than 3 different fonts in a design. It's going to make your design very busy. All right. So you choose the font of your choice, and that's that. You choose the font of your choice. We are doing graphics design master class, really. Okay, so and that's just what I want to design. Very simple design. Choose your font. I want to choose this. So you may want to drag it upwards. I want to design a quick flyer for a graphic design masterclass. So this is my graphic design masterclass. And remember, when you want to increase your fonts, just the same way you zoom pictures in your Android or Apple phones, you can use your 2 fingers to zoom. So this is graphic design masterclass. All right. So don't mind my whatever mistake I'm making here. Don't mind it yet. All of them can be corrected. So then you can go on to add your other details. For instance, you want to add your date. So 25th December. I wonder who does trainings on 25th December. All right, so 25th December. And I shouldn't let my date be bigger than the main focus. So what do? I may want to reduce the size. I may want to reduce the size the same way I had shown you. All right. So you can go on to add whatever you want to add. Now let's say you have so many resource persons and all of that. You can actually open your gallery, click on photos, open your gallery, and start adding pictures of your resource persons. All right, so that is that. Please, I don't have permission to use some of these pictures, so I believe these videos are not meant for public, so I know you shouldn't post them publicly. So these pictures, I don't have permission to use them. Now, you can see that you can add more features to your designs, and that's that. You are on your way doing very simple designs. And remember, creativity means going out of the norm, going out of what is always obtainable. So you can go beyond this and do amazing designs. Coming back your way, I'll be introducing you to more things you could do with your PicMonkey and then the Canva app. Thank you, and I expect to see you next time.